respect, tradition, fair play, and excellence. These values have been and will continue to be passed down from generation to generation as Muay Thai continues to grow and develop and spread through all the corners of the earth. Ifma believes in the power of sport to inspire positive social change, striving to ensure people everywhere can access Muay Thai without discrimination. In 1993, a group of visionary men, soon to be joined by incredible women, dared to believe Muay Thai could become an Olympic sport. They knew this was a long and complicated process that meant many changes need to take place within the sport itself and across the world it was being played in. This journey was to take just under 30 years. Within its first decade of establishment, from its inauguration in 1993, Ifma achieved recognition from the Olympic Council of Asia and inclusion as a demonstration sport in major games under the Asian Continental Olympic Body, such as the Southeast Asian Games, Asian Indoor Games, Asian Games. 2002 was Ifma's first step towards development of women in sport, with women's divisions included for the first time in the Ifma World Championships program. In 2006, after a 7-year application process, Ifma gained recognition and membership in GAIF, securing its position as the sole world-recognized international federation for the sport of Muay Thai and sole signatory for the sport with the World Anti-Doping Agency. The next decade saw Ifma's inclusion into ever more multi-sports events, such as the Orafura Games, World Combat Games, Asian Beach Games, FISU University World Championships, and the World Games. The sport's popularity as one of the world's most exciting ring sports exploded, with major events in top stadiums around the world, reaching growing fans in the millions worldwide through major broadcasters such as ESPN, Star Sports, Fox Sports, AXN, to name a few. The Emmy Award-winning Muay Thai reality TV show made Muay Thai a household name and a sport practiced not only for competition, but for fitness, self-defense, and a way of life. 2012 was the year when Ifma announced to the world and the Olympic movement the intent to apply for recognition by the International Olympic Committee. After close to 2 decades of tireless strategic toil, grind and sweat, laying the foundation and groundwork, Ifma marked the official launch of the Muay Thai Towards IOC campaign. The foundation of the campaign, the 5 pillars of Muay Thai were established: respect, honor, tradition, excellence, and fair play. Over the following years, Ifma continued its strategic development to ensure compliance with the stringent IOC recognition criteria throughout every level of the organization, its governance, and its activities. The journey has led Ifma towards many accomplishments along the way: gender equality, athlete representation, support and protection, anti-doping, education are some of many areas that lie in the heart of Ifma's work. Receiving provisional recognition by the IOC in 2016 solidified Ifma's credibility and place for Muay Thai within the Olympic mainstream. It has also compelled the organization to continue its steady strategic development, adapting to align with Agenda 2020 over the following years to bring us to where we are today. An international federation governing all aspects of Muay Thai, fully recognized by the International Olympic Committee. Over the next years, we will see Muay Thai included at the 2022 Asian Indoor and Martial Art Games, the 2022 World Games, the 2023 World Combat Games, and the 2023 European Games. Not only will Muay Thai feature on the programs of these major events in classic combat discipline, the traditional disciplines of Waiku and Mai Muay Thai have now been officially included as full medal events at all future major multi-sport events, thereby ensuring the protection and preservation of the culture and traditional roots of this ancient martial art and combat sport. Ifma's mantra reflects the ideal that together we are one world, one Muay Thai. This acknowledges Ifma's strong future focus, which ensures Muay Thai is here to stay, and the highest sport authority in the world has also acknowledged the beauty of our sport, a sport that is driven by family, respect, and equality.
Happy and proud to be part of the big family, Ifma family. Thank you, Muay Thai is alive. Can we have a big round of